2019 Toyota Avalon. Toyota Avalon, a solid performer with standard V6 power, lots of interior space, and a reputation for reliability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, power moonroof. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.